This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to know up front, I cannot help you bypass a pattern lock. That restriction protects owners and prevents misuse. Instead, immediately gather proof of ownership, purchase receipt, account email, IMEI, because those items open legitimate recovery paths. Once done, make sure to prepare the device and any associated account credentials so authorized support can verify you. This is the responsible route. It protects your data and stays within legal boundaries. You should pursue official recovery channels rather than hack the lock. If the device is linked to your Google account, Find My Device can show status or perform a remote erase when you authenticate. This is why account credentials matter. Make sure to contact Motorola support or your carrier next. They guide you through owner verification and service options. If needed, take the phone and proof to an authorized service center for technician-assisted recovery. These paths protect you and your data. Once you've picked an official path, protect your data. Back up accounts and ensure you can access linked email or recovery phone numbers. If support recommends a factory erase as the last resort, make sure they document authorization and expected data loss. You will want a case number. If the service center encounters complications, insist on escalation and retain all receipts and correspondence. This way you complete recovery responsibly, and if anything goes wrong,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.